So, the folks at Revolution have announced the upcoming release of a new version of Character Creator, which is Character Creator 5, and this is Revolution's character tool for high-quality 3D characters for both games, real-time animation, and stylized character creation. And this marks the first major update of Character Creator since Character Creator 4 was last released in May of 2022. And with this new release announcement, the folks at Revolution are seriously upping the game for character creation, as this new version will be shipping with some impressive features and updates to both characters, shaders, and also animation tools. And with the upcoming release, Character Creator 5 would be offering up to 16 times more mesh detail compared to CC4, and this is all thanks to the 2 additional subdivision levels, which now allows for intricate character detailing, which is pretty suitable for close-up renders in both film and television production. This also introduces a flexible high-definition morph system, which now breathes life into any CC3+ character, enabling an effortless baking even at the lower subdivision, and this simply ensures that there is a seamless integration with both workflows, which involves other authoring tools like ZBrush and so on. So at this point, artists can easily switch from level 0 all the way to level 2 just in case they would like to animate or sculpt details in HD mode. And this now makes it very possible for you to do all of that and get the best quality out of the character that you're working on. And all thanks to the amplified mesh resolution, Character Creator 5 now harnesses the power of displacement, as this now supports high definition and simple displacement map to add intricate details on surfaces, which gives artists the option of applying a non-destructive displacement pass that preserves the base geometry and ensures smoother transfer of sculpting details to the 3D mesh. And for shaders, the folks at Revolution have actually taken a significant step to updating several shaders, and one which is pretty noticeable is the eye mesh and shader system, which now introduces a more realistic human eye. I mean, you can see how much details that this brings in, as it features a high resolution tear line, detailed eye duct, concave cornea shaders, and also attachable eyelashes with varied hair growth patterns, and this is looking amazing. More so, for the skin, you'd also notice that there's an enhanced skin quality, and this is really cool for close-ups. I mean, when you take a look at the renders and demos that we have here, these are looking amazing. CC5 introduces a cavity map that actually accentuates the pores and wrinkles on all characters. Alongside this now supports 8K skin textures, and if you work with SkinGen, all of these are fully compatible with the SkinGen layer editor for seamless blend with other effects. And the same thing can also be said for the displacement map that we talked about earlier. Something else which is pretty impressive with the upcoming version of Character Creator 5 is the high definition expression profile for capturing micro level facial details. And this is very crucial for dialogue-driven animation. I mean, you can see that the new constraint system ensures expression remains within its anatomical plausible range, which prevents every form of distortion that is and also preserves believable facial structures. And with these demos, you can tell that things are looking better. I mean, when you take a listen at one of the demos that they've actually released, you can see how cool this is.
Character Creator 5's new HD expression system makes it effortless.
Furthermore, CC5 also introduces a non-linear facial animation with advanced curve-based controls, which simulate a non-uniform facial muscle movement like sticky lips, elastic puckers, and brows that drop and frown when certain expressions are done, which includes frowning. And if you're a fan of working with other DCC tools, Character Creator 5 will be shipping with more integration for other tools via the Auto setup. And this tool has actually evolved to broaden the pipeline compatibility, as this now offers a pre-configured skeleton and material setup for several industry-leading solutions like Maya, Marmoset, Blender, and also Unreal Engine. And all of this is to ensure a seamless integration of CC5 HD characters into various production environments. So whether you're working with any of these tools and you're wondering if this will port properly, yes, it will. And for those who are coming from CC4, all of the existing CC4 plugins and content will remain fully compatible with CC5, which would ensure a much more smoother transition for current users. And of course, if you haven't explored Character Creator and you're potentially thinking about getting into it, of course you can simply go ahead and check it out right now. And possibly, if you're thinking about trying this and maybe you would like to get Character Creator 5 for free, the folks at Revolution are doing something I would consider as an exclusive deal. and this is running from now till when this gets officially released. Character Creator 5 will be priced about $2.99 upon release. However, if you simply go ahead and purchase any of the other tools, or possibly you spend about $3.99 or more on a single purchase on the content store or on Relution's website, you will be getting Character Creator for free upon release. And for those who are wondering, Character Creator 5 is slated to be released sometime in July of 2025. And of course, there's also a bonus early participation for the first 1,000 people that simply take advantage of this offer, as they will be earning about $50 in bonus points for further purchases. So this is it, Character Creator 5 is coming, and of course there is a nice set of tools coming with this. And for those who like to explore Character Creator, AccuRig, or possibly you would like to get some of the free content that folks at Relution have put out previously, or possibly you would like to get this exclusive deal that the folks at Relution have also mentioned, then you may want to go over to the link in the description and check them out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.